Earlier this week, Treasury said government was considering applying the Health Promotion Levy, known as the sugar tax, on 100% fruit juice. Now, at the moment, only fruit juice with added sugar is included in that tax. After 3 years of no changes, the sugar tax was upped slightly this year. Let's discuss. We're joined by the General Manager of the SA Fruit Juice Association. That's Rudi Richards. We're joined on the line by Mr. Richards. Thank you for being with us. I can guess, but let me ask you where you stand on a proposed sugar tax on 100% fruit juice.
Thank you for the opportunity. Yes, look, we're very surprised at what has been announced because there's been no consultation, basically. And in terms of our concerns, I think we issued a public or press release through the Consumer Goods Council. We're very concerned about unintended job losses, the impact on farmers, and I think they referred specifically to the sugar farmers. So that is our first concern, the economic impact. The second concern that we have is also that it's not ring-fenced for health promotion, but it's merely an accumulation of revenue for the departments. And then also it's in conflict with the social compact that was made between the government and the sugar industry to protect that industry. So, on the one hand, we've got some concerns about the increase that has been
May I ask you to clarify, because why would this affect the sugar farming industry? I know there has been a decline in sugar farming revenues and jobs and things like that, but we're talking about 100% fruit juice, so surely that's bottled without affecting sugarcane.
Yeah, I'm talking about the sugar tax in general.
But I'm asking about the fruit juice side.
Okay, so the fruit juice side, firstly, in our opinion, this is about taxing added sugar. We're not here about taxing a natural product. 100% fruit juice has got no added sugar in it. It's as per the fruit, the same Brix levels, the same quantity of sugar. So we think that this is now a misguided way of approaching the problem. And, the bottom line is we can have lots of technical discussions, but a sugar tax is not applied or even promoted in other countries. So why are we doing that? So we're we object to the line that has been taken. We have a natural product. It's not applied in other countries. Why are we doing that?
And I hear you, Mr. Richards, and dietary stuff is so contested. Everybody has a theory, but I have heard from several experts that without the fiber to slow it down, pure fruit juice is very concentrated, very high in fructose, that your body reads it like sugar. There are those who would argue it definitely adds to obesity. Do you reject what they're saying?
No, I don't really agree with that, because you need to have a look at what is the intake of beverages or fruit juice in your total dietary intake. Then we have to start talking about added sugar to many, many other products like chocolates and cakes and sweets and all sorts of other things which are really unhealthy for you. We promote fruit juice consumed in moderation, and in that respect, it's basically healthy for you. There is sugar in it, obviously, but it's a natural product. But I think then really the balanced debate needs to come into play. What about all the other categories that are not taxed where sugar is being added in huge quantities and which is really destroying the diets and the health of our population?
I have so many more questions, but I can throw in one more. When I think of 100% fruit juice, I think liquid fruit, appetizers, there's a whole lot on the market. They seem to be high-end products. Isn't that where customers can absorb taxes here and there?
I don't think that is the correct answer, or correct question. My question rather is, why would we try and injure specific industries, both the primary producers and the farmers and the workers, and also our agro-processing industries? There's no logic in that. We've got a country where we are trying to grow, where we have huge unemployment. Why are we destroying jobs? What is that going to do to poverty, hardship, and harmony, social harmony in our country? I think we need to make a much broader view of health. We need to educate, promote, and we need to promote healthy diets, balanced diets within a healthy lifestyle as well. But healthy diets overall, and not just select in a discriminatory way just one single product.
I don't know what the answer is, but certainly obesity, a massive problem in South Africa. Okay, thank you. Getting the view there from Rudi Richards, General Manager at the South African Fruit Juice Association. Let's